In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I would do if I had to start my Amazon business back from zero again, right? And I actually had to do it. You guys know, after my suspension, I had to start from almost zero. Not really, because I had inventory already and stuff, but my business was suspended for 6 months and I actually had to start back from zero. But like, if I had to start with really low capital, this is what I would do, because you cannot start with zero money at all right? Before we actually start, there's a new link in the description. If you want to book a 60-minute coaching call with me, if you have any questions, if you want to pick my brain, or if you want me to mentor you in your Amazon journey, link in the description if you want to book a call with me. And second thing, we have a Discord server if you want a strong community, if you have like just random questions, so if you want to talk with sellers, meet other sellers, best place to do it, join the Discord community, link in the description. So, as I said, one of the first things that I would do is actually get a coach, and because I will have rather spent my money, whatever, like just book 1 hour and like ask someone, have someone to actually guide me, than make some dumb mistakes as I did and get my account suspended for 6 months, because it cost me a lot of money, right? But as I said earlier, if you are really starting from zero, you are going to need to build capital first, because you're not going to be able to start with online arbitrage, right? If you want to start with online arbitrage, you need to have a little money to actually buy some inventory, because let's say you have a product that costs $5, you buy 12 units, so already $60 is only one product. So if things go wrong, you already have no money left, right? So you need a little capital. You cannot start from zero. And I believe that if you have less than $1,000, even $1,500, it's going to be super hard. 1,000 should be all right to start, but like less than that, it's going to be really, really, really hard to start and grow this business, because you need to fuel this business, right? And if you want to build capital, you either need to get a job, right? Just get a job, save up some money for a few weeks, a few months, or like just do books, like sell books, do books cherry picking, go buy used books. I'll make a video on that whenever I get back to the US. I'll show you how to do it. But I don't have one right now, and I could do it here, but like I don't want to do it here. But yeah, you want to go into thrift stores, scan used books, sell used books until you actually have some capital, and you will learn how to sell on Amazon at the same time. You will make some mistakes, you will learn from your mistakes, and you will learn how to pick products and how to read keyword charts, all right? But yeah, starting without money is almost impossible. Find a job, do some other business, or flip stuff that you can find for free on eBay. You cannot do this on Amazon. But if you are not in the US, and if you are not in a country where you can do like such a business model, like just you will need to find a job and put some money aside, all right? That's really the best thing to do. There's nothing you can do, and because you need to remember this, like if you are a small guy, you want to go with the lowest, like the business that are hard to find, like to use leverage to grow. Like for example, like books cherry picking, you cannot really like apply leverage, and like you can hire someone to scan books for you and stuff, but like it does not really make sense to do this, and so people just do not do it. Same thing, retail arbitrage, you're not gonna hire someone to go scan with you. Like these business models are good to build capital, because they are a little bit harder to scale. So that way, because of that, you're gonna have less competition, you're gonna have less product tanking and stuff like that. But if you do not have like, and I would say even if you do not have $2,000, like go with retail arbitrage if you can. Go with books. Start with the if you have like $1,000, you can go with retail arbitrage. But yeah, really start with that, and do not start with online arbitrage if you do not have money. That's the first thing. But if I had $2,000, if I had some stuff like that, even if I had $1,000 and I had to go to online arbitrage, what I would do is get Keeper. I would just get Keeper and source Walgreens, like manual source Walgreens. That's it. You just need Keeper, right? That's the only software that you're gonna need. Go look on Keeper. You can just get like a free product calculation, like Amazon product fee calculator. I don't know what they're called, just to be able to estimate your profit. Or you can just do it with the Amazon app on your phone. I'm not sure if you can do it on the computer. Just get the Amazon app and like enter your cost, and you'll figure it out. And get my spreadsheet, the free spreadsheet as well. But you just want to manual source Walgreens. Watch my video on Walgreens, on outsource Walgreens. Go to the weekly ads, scan the weekly ads, and the second thing is do FBM. Like do FBM so your money flips faster, and just go to Walgreens.com, If you actually, if you're not in the US, you cannot. But like, you can just do FBA. But like, go to Walgreens.com if you're in the US and if you want to do FBM. Go to Walgreens.com, get those vitamins like the Natural Made and stuff. They've been profitable forever. You can find a lot of them that are profitable and they are meltable. So there's no FBA. You can just FBM them. This is what I would do if I was back in the US and I had to start from zero. Just FBM Natural Made like stuff. And that's it. You're going to make some money. You're going to build up some capital. And when you start building some capital, then start getting seller amp and start reverse sourcing. In addition to selling those natural made stuff, in addition to manual sourcing, Walgreens, doing all that stuff, get seller amp, start reverse sourcing, try to find 5 leads a day and build a database of lead, all right? Because that database of lead is going to build that foundation for your online arbitrage business. It's a database of lead that you can go back to whenever you want. You can start reverse sourcing from there. You can start when you get other software in the future. You can start, this can be a good starting point because you know those leads and you know that if you, for example, found some leads on Walgreens, the person, the guys that you're going to source probably find stuff from Walgreens as well, and you're going to find stuff that you've never found before, right? Because sometimes stuff does not catch your eye, stuff like that, or you're going to find new coupons, and you're going to discover new websites to source as well, right? So do all that stuff. Do start by manual sourcing and then move up to reverse sourcing. Do the 5 leads a day to build that foundation, build that database. And you're not going to need to do this for like forever. I did it for maybe 2 months, 1 month and a half, 2 months, I don't remember. And I used to talk about this on the channel. And right now, like, to be honest, today, I do not even source a lot. I do not spend a lot of time on my Amazon business because I have a ton of leads to go to. If I ever need to source, it's super fast. I just start from one of the leads that is in my database that is a really good lead, or I just go to the storefront. By the way, because yes, when you start reverse sourcing, start making a spreadsheet with all the great storefront that you found where you found a lot of leads, because you can go back to them whenever you want. You do not have to find a new storefront whenever you want to start doing reverse sourcing. All right. So do this, build your database of leads, build your database of storefronts, and keep growing your business. All right. Keep growing your business up until 5,000 a month, like 6,000 a month, and then start like get tactical arbitrage, invest in tactical arbitrage. Why? Because it's going to broaden your horizon. All right, you're going to be able to source so many more new websites without having to do a lot of stuff, to be honest. And you could just run this business without tactical arbitrage. I know people that make crazy amounts of revenue without tactical arbitrage. It just makes my life way like my life is just way easier with tactical arbitrage. That's it. It's just way easier to source. So if you want to get tactical arbitrage, and I think that you should actually, to broaden your horizon, you do not have to keep it forever. Learn how to use it, broaden your horizon, like learn new website to source and stuff, build like add leads to your database of leads as well from people, like from tactical arbitrage, leads that are not necessarily, that you're not going to find if you stay in that microcosm of people that you actually reverse source all the time. You're going to find new leads, add them to your leads database and source them, buy them if you can. And yeah, keep growing your business that way. Do not get them, I would say if you have the money, yes, get tactical arbitrage at the beginning, but if your capital is limited, do not. Do what I said, manual source Walgreens. I have a whole video on how to manual source Walgreens, do the weekly ad, then and just get Keepa, then get seller amp, do reverse sourcing, 5 leads a day, then move to tactical arbitrage and keep growing your money, reinvest your money all the time in your business is going to grow. All right, that's it. Once again, if you want coaching, if you want to book a coaching session, link in the description. If you want to join the Discord server, link in the description. Subscribe, like this video, do all that stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow. I release a new video every single day on Amazon, on YouTube about Amazon. Watch on the screen if you want to learn like more about Amazon. Watch these other videos. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.